Nice, dude. I'm up next. It's still going down that's scary because you feel like you're gonna hit the oh my god, I can't believe those tires grip on the side like that. What, did this man just literally go on the side of the highway? What are we doing? What? Dude, we're on the highway. Oh my god. Hi everyone. Oh boy. Did not expect to come over here. It's like a grass haven. This man's going up that way? Holy crap, he's up there. That is kind of sketchy, yo. I don't know with my tires if I can make it up there. This is getting a little crazy. I'm gonna bust my ass, dude. I need more speed. No, my bike. Again, damn tires. Help me, please.
Good. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, it's not in gear. Maybe it is.
This is the same we did yesterday. Can you do it this way?
We might be able to get it up.
I don't know.
Hold on, I got no footing here. Oh, is it? Wait, let go.
If you turn the other way, it's easy to go.
That way?
Like the wheel the other way?
That way?
No. Okay.
This way? Wait, to turn around? Boy, you're strong. God damn.
You got it?
Yeah.
You walking it down or pushing it?
I'm going up. I think going down will be harder. Gonna bust your ass. Or you'll turn it back down.
You got it.
Make sure nothing's broken. Brake okay? Nah, I tried to hold it on as much as I could, but...
I let go. When I see the bike going, I let go.
Sorry. I fell again. Yo, I watched the footage from yesterday. It was great when I busted my ass too. You just see a bunch of sand go.
And the construction sign was awesome too.
That sucks we couldn't go. You would. You want to go trail riding, right? Going that way is sketchy, dude.
That one?
Like this way, all the way down. I don't even know how I'm gonna get off of this. I think I'm gonna have to slow. Huh? Yeah, I guess so. Come on, Bobby. Drag the rear tires away. Practice right there. I slide too much, damn it. Road is so much fun. He's going slow behind me because I'm wearing a full face helmet and he's pelting me with sand. It kind of hurts, you believe it or not. It actually does sting. So the guy behind me with no helmet's probably Cody's having a hard time. Well, he's just not close behind us because he's just getting, those things hurt, dude. nice little upper deck area here. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Oh, feels good. What's the drop off look like? Yeah, we can do it. Some sand at the end. We'll finish it off. Where's Cody?
Drop the bike in the lake.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. There's no recovering from that. That's like you gotta walk home and then like get a ride home and then, hey, can I get a tow truck to come out and get my bike out of the water? Okay. Alright, we're ripping through this. I mean, I guess it's a little sketchy. Like if you were to hit one of these bumps wrong, you're like, wah, fly off that side. Doesn't look that steep, but it's about 10 feet high at least. Oh, what the hell? There's a camp here. I think Cody? Oh, I guess you. Wow. I tried to jump it, but I almost busted my ass, yeah. I bet you didn't expect to go riding today, right?
Oh, no way. Not like this.
What is this path for? It just exists here. I gotta stand in this trail. Whoa! Narrow, I guess. Just keep my feet up. I don't like snakes.